going upstairs.
Pitching 90 for horizontal thrust. All ahead full.
Go flight. Good throttle.
Two good throttle.
Nominal gains. Going through 50,000. Atmosphere drag acceptable. Stand by for redirect. Vector 10 hours, 16 minutes. Fire at will, fire at will.
You got eyes on this, Reyes?
Affirmative.
We got it coming!
Let's get in there.
Roger that!
All scholars, engage the next destroyer.
Incoming missile.
Heat seekers, flares out! They're launching skelters!
Lock onto a target, sir.
Get a lock on these guys!
Back on target.
Lock it up!
Weapons
Target
overheated.
Guns, guns. 1 o'clock high. Good thunder. Bogey, 10 o'clock.
He's bugging out.
Two more!
Target 7 o'clock. Re-engaging.
Last one, Raider!
Sir, one system ship of the AO still active.
All set up, direct fire on that enemy destroyer.
Targets upgraded.
Engaging.
Use your cannons, Reyes!
Air defenses.
Take him out!
Roger that.
Damage. Warning. Critical damage.
Switch to main cannons! Air defenses are offline!
Incoming missile.
Stay on it.
Downwind increasing. Weapons overheated. Incoming missile.
Shoot them low!
Target down. Nice shot.
Squadron, this is Scar 1-1. Return to the retribution. We're RTB.
Copy. 3-4 returning to base. 3-6 is RTB.
Let's fuel up and get after these guys.
All stations, down going fixed red. Seaways back to search, please.
Got a visual on retribution. Let's get back to the red.
I'm getting some abnormal readings. Same. Checking static pressure.
What is that?
Scars, concentrate all fire on that super carrier. Raj, Ethan, you fly, I'll shoot.
Aye, sir.
Raider, I'll target the bridge. You keep those turrets outside.
This is Admiral Salem Koch of the Olympus models. You were defeated. Death is no disgrace.
Fully countermeasures, Raider.
Fire down.
Keep those turrets. Good luck on the bridge. Last one. Come on, come on.
is Admiral Salem Koch of the Olympus Mons. You were defeated. Death is no disgrace.
Flares out!
Hit the turret! Good luck on the bridge! Last one! Come on, come on! Tornado! Bring it on for second shot!
Stay with her, Ethan. We're marked, sir. Decline was clear. Target the cannon, 1-2.
Now back!
All stations, target has not been reduced.
Weapons overheated.
What is that?
Scars, concentrate all fire on that super carrier. Rod, Ethan, you fly, I'll shoot. Aye, sir.
Raider, I'll target the bridge. You keep those turrets occupied.
This is Admiral Salem Koch of the Olympus Mons. You were defeated. Death is no disgrace.
Hit those turrets! Good luck on the bridge! Last one! Come on, come on! What's the tornado? Bring it around for second shot!
Stay with her, Ethan. We're marked, sir. Decline was clear. Countermeasures out. Target the cannon, 1-2.
Impact! Throw it back!
All stations, target has not been reduced.
Retribution, retreat, retreat!
Retribution is moving to intercept course for tactical collision.
They're ramming it. Do not execute collision.
Captain's orders, 1-1. Multiple casualties aboard.
All stations, Retribution's in trouble. Focus fire on that super carrier.
Tigers is engaging. All scars, danger close.
Hey, winning!
They jumped!
All stations, be advised. Enemy has withdrawn. AO is clear.
Olympus battered our fleet, Reyes.
Let's get back to base. Just get to Red. Guide us in.
Copy. Retribution, Scar 1 requesting permission to land.
Copy, you're clear to land. Runway 2, Lima.
Roger 2 Lima, coming in now.
Hold for lock, stand by. Good locks, we'll take it from here.
Charlie Delta, copy. One to Retribution. What the hell happened, Gator?
Multiple casualties from the crash maneuver, sir. I need a stretcher over here. Lieutenant Reyes, we need you up here right away. Bridge out.
Copy in the assault.
Yeah.
That's a major snafus here, Reyes.
Salt, you good?
Affirmative, you?
Still here. Ethan?
Outstanding, sir.
Gibson, get us out of here.